Howdy guys and gals, Mikey J here, and today I'll be unboxing another pair of Western boots. This is a pair of Los Altos brown python Western boots, and these boots are not for me, they're actually for my buddy Rob as an early Christmas present. These are from World Boot Mart on eBay, and I had heard other boot reviewers mention World Boot Mart, but this is my first order at this store, and it was really easy to order them, and there was a very quick delivery. They have competitive prices and a great wide selection of boots, like all types. I actually ordered a different pair initially, and the seller notified me right away that they were out of stock and offered me to exchange them or just to cancel the order. And I decided to change the order to a different pair, this one. And here we go. They're here, and that was very easy. Yeah, I definitely recommend World Boot Mart, definitely for their service. It was really good. So these are Los Altos boots, and they're made in Leon, Mexico. And let's get to the unboxing. Take off the top. And, oh, here's a note. Let's see what this says. Like instructions. Attention, please read. Because the boot is brand new, the instep might be a bit stiff and prevent you from putting on your boot. If this occurs, get a plastic bag and put it over your feet with your socks on and try the boot on. When putting on the boot, make sure not to pull the plastic bag as you are pulling on the boot. Once you have it on, take it off and try on the boot again, but without the plastic bag. You might have to repeat the process a few times. Once the instep has loosened up, you should be able to put the boot on without the bag. If you have any questions or issues, please let me know. Thank you, Steve. Okay, that's cool. Good info to know. And let's see the boots. Okay, they are both individually wrapped in plastic. And I'll take them out now. Here's one, and I'll put this guy up here. And I'll get the other one out now. Plastic bag. It also has the shaft guard and the tissue paper down inside. And oh wowza, these look really, really cool. They're so dark. They look really nice, like Darth Vader dark. Like if Darth Vader wore cowboy boots or Western boots, these would be the boots that he'd wear. They look really nice. They have this kind of rugged look to them, but it looks like they could also be worn more like in a formal setting as well. I like this. The shaft has a kind of a distressed look to it, and kind of rustic. It's this chocolate brown color. It looks really, really nice. And there's also some stitching on here. It's a little hard to see. It's almost like camouflaged, but I guess that's the style. And yeah, it looks good too. And down in the vamp and counter area, we have like the dark scales. It's really scaly. And but they're really smooth. It looks really nice. I like this dark look, is really cool. It's like when you set your phone on dark mode or dark theme. Okay, I do smell the leather. It's permeating in the air. And let me take a smell. Ah, oh yes, that's nice. Really nice smell of leather. So let's see, going back to the shaft here of the boots. Yeah, it's definitely like a rustic, they're really soft, a rustic distressed look. It's really soft. Has that, that worn in look, like you've had them for like 5 years already. And the stitching, it's a little hard to see, but it's kind of a traditional Los Altos pattern, but it's definitely blended in there. Little hard to see, but it probably looks better up close. Now here's the vamp one piece, python, very smooth look. And once again, I ordered a Snip Toe, and I think my buddies has other boots that were Snip Toes as well, so I think he'll like these. And here we have the counter, one piece as well. And yes, this is firm as well. Still scaly and smooth. And oh, here we go. The pull straps, same smooth, rustic, distressed leather. And here we go, other side. And here's a little bit more of the python skin right here on the pull straps. And it goes right down into the piping on both sides, leather piping again. It's that distressed leather. It looks really good. Now let's take a look on the inside once again. It's light inside. There's the Los Altos logo, branding, and we actually have here a snake to represent for the python inside. And let's smooth, oh, very smooth inside, very smooth. Now feel the cushion. Yeah, once again, kind of like the other Los Altos boots I've purchased, the cushion is, it's not super soft where your foot's going to sink into it, but it is a little firm. So I think that's a good medium in between. So you're not sinking into it, but it's not like you're stepping on rocks. And let's go ahead and take a look at the sole. Wow, even the sole's dark. It's nice. Oh, and there's the snake here on the sole as well. And the Los Altos logo as well. And let's take a look at the heel. Stacked leather heel. And here's the heel cap. And wow, see, this is dark. And it's consistent with the whole dark theme mode, Darth Vader boots here, because on my other Los Altos boots, the heel cap is in color and in red. And this is really nice how it keeps the theme of the whole dark look. So I really like these boots a lot. Here's the tag. Los Altos boots. And here's the, I guess, specifications of the boots. Leather piping, calf pull strap, calf skin shaft, smooth cow skin lining, leather slide pad, leather heel counter, stacked leather heel, steel shank, exotic skin vamp, brass pegging, leather heel pad, 9-iron insole, Goodyear welt, 9-iron leather outsole. Okay, so these are specifications. And wow, I can't wait to show these to my buddy. I think he's really gonna like checking these out and enjoy them. This dark theme is just so cool, I think. And even on the boots, both the boots actually have this little Los Altos tag. And the other Los Altos boots I've gotten, the tag is light. This is actually a dark background. So they're keeping the whole dark theme going, even on the brand tagging as well. So once again, I think World Boot Mart was a great option to purchase these boots. They look fantastic. They were great price. They came really quickly. I really like them. I hope my buddy likes them. And I definitely can't wait to show them to him. And so, guys and gals, I'm going to sign off for now. And if you have any comments about these boots, go ahead and leave them in the comment section.